Hey everyone! Today we're diving into drawing heads from various angles. Well, the Loomis method is a great way and common foundation and my go-to approach. I'll be sharing some alternative techniques, so let's explore different ways to draw the human head. The Loomis method for drawing heads starts with a basic circle. The circle is then saddle flattened on the sides to resemble the head's overall shape. The nose is positioned near the bottom of the circle, while the eyebrow line and the eye level align with the circle's horizontal midpoint. The ear begins at the intersection of the circle's side and eye line, and the jawline extends from this point towards the chin. And here's the Bridgman method, which uses a cube as its base and is different from Loomis' circular approach. I find combining these methods helpful when drawing heads tilted upward or sideways because I've struggled with accurately drawing jawlines and like the space between eyes and ears and also the connection to the chin. By using this combined method, it's easier to get these features right. For heads facing directly forward but tilting up or down, I use a triangular base shape. An upward facing head resembles a fishbone shape, while a downward facing head takes on a somewhat shield-like form. Okay, so before I continue the sketch, I would like to introduce you with our partner and the sponsor of this video, Skillshare. If you didn't know what Skillshare is, it is one of the biggest online learning community for any creatives with thousands of classes such as film, illustration, design, freelance, productivity, and more. Industry experts led these classes so you can learn from the best and take your career or skills to the next level. One of their cool features is the learning paths. These are basically like playlists where they put together a bunch of classes that build on each other so you can learn a whole new skill step by step. If you really want to learn more about drawing faces from different angles, I really recommend classes from Chris Hong and Gabrielle Piccolo. Their expressions and demonstrations are really good. I'm also taking a class from Mike Lovery, which is about daily sketchbooking, and if you're someone who loves doodling and sketching, you really enjoy this class. If you're looking to learn something new and cool, definitely check out Skillshare. You might just surprise yourself with what you can learn. The first 500 people to use the link in my description below will get a 1-month free trial. So big thanks to Skillshare for sponsoring this video.